Welcome to another 101 Poetry Prompts. Today we're in Quercus Grove, Indiana, 1963. The prompt is 33, Grazed. My friend Larry had a Honda 50. It was 1963. You could cram two boys on it, and that second boy was me. The bike was weak and gutless, but I'd jump off on steep hills. And with a 50cc Honda, there were very little thrills. That is until Saturday, on those gravel roads that we drove. We headed up Plume Creek toward a town called Quercus Grove. At 35 miles an hour, with wind and bugs in our hair, and with smoke rolling up behind us, it was an hour to anywhere. So we changed our destination to Larry's house beyond. But within a mile, we grazed a dog and flew into some guy's lawn. Larry hit the pavement first. It was a painful, nasty fall. I landed on top of him, and I was hardly hurt at all. They took Larry to the hospital, and they took me back home. I'm thinking Larry never rode that bike again, but if he did, he was alone. Okay, thanks for watching, and hope to see you tomorrow.